Hi, elders. We are excited to inform you of the following wonderful news. The Social Security Administration, SSA, has declared a $5,500 special one-time payment to recipients of Veterans Affairs VA benefits, Social Security Disability Insurance, SSDI, or Supplemental Security Income, SSI. This payment is expected to be transferred into the bank accounts of those who qualify on May 15th. In this video, we'll go into more detail about this wonderful announcement and talk about who is qualified to receive the money, how to determine your eligibility, and what actions you must follow to guarantee that you get your $5,500 payment. It could significantly impact your life to have this additional financial help, so it's important to be aware and ready. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and like the video. It makes me happy and help me to give you happy news. This is a 600+ word screenplay for a film about the recently disclosed $5,500 Social Security Administration payouts on May 15th. $5,500 in SSA payments receive your portion on May 15th. Seniors who receive Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA benefits are the target audience for this introduction to Social Security SSDIA benefits. We have a big announcement that might have a big effect on your finances. The Social Security Office has today disclosed that millions of eligible Americans will receive one-time payments totaling $5,500 on May 15, 2024. This is an unprecedented step on the part of the SSA, and for individuals on fixed incomes, it is important to know if you qualify and how to submit a claim or benefits for disability. An additional $5,500 might bring about a great deal of relief and create new prospects. Consider what you could accomplish to settle outstanding bills and pay for medical costs, make improvements to your house, or just increase your retirement funds. This fortune might change someone's life, but the devil is. Since the deadline of May 15th is quickly approaching, it is imperative that you become informed. In this extensive video guide, we'll go over all you need to know. In the details, there are certain eligibility requirements that must be completed, as well as procedures to follow in order to successfully claim your reward. To learn about these recently announced $5,500 payouts, we'll discuss who is eligible based on age, income, disability status, and benefit kinds. We'll also walk you through the process of claiming your money to make sure you don't lose out on this chance. Finally, we'll look at potential consequences of the SSA's action, the larger economy and Social Security policy in the years to come, so pay special attention if you're a senior, disabled person, veteran, or family member supporting a loved one receiving benefits. The $5,500 that might be up for grabs on May 15th could be a game changer. Altering. Who is eligible to get the $5,500 payment? Let's get started. While the qualifying requirements are still being worked out, one of the most pressing concerns on everyone's mind is who is truly eligible for this $5,500 payout from the Social Security Administration. Based on information provided by the SSA, here is what we currently know. Notification of the minimum age. Those 65 years of age and older who are currently receiving Social Security retirement benefits make up the core group eligible for these payments. This payment is being presented as a way to help seniors on fixed incomes who are being impacted by rising living expenses and to provide additional financial support. But according to the SSA, there is some wiggle room regarding the age 65 requirement for persons receiving Social Security Disability Insurance, SSD, between the ages of 60 and 64. Since their disability benefits are linked to Social Security retirement benefits, if you are now getting Social Security retirement benefits, I might also be eligible. Money transfers. If you fulfill the age requirements of 65 plus or 6,064 on SSDI, you will most likely be eligible for the full $5,500 payment on May 15th. It's crucial to note that your current Social Security benefit does not seem to affect your eligibility. There are certain exceptions, but the $5,500 maximum payout is on the lower end of the spectrum. For example, If you recently filed a new Social Security claim in 2023 or 2024, you might only receive a prorated amount rather than the whole $5,500, is still pending from the SSA regarding this matter. Extra money received from security. Regardless of age, SSI users who receive Supplemental Security Income will also be eligible for the $5,500 payment. SSI offers financial assistance to low-income Americans who are 65 years of age or older and who are blind or disabled. This is noteworthy, the SSA's determination that SSI recipients are typically among the most financially vulnerable. The $5,500 might go a long way toward helping you afford basic needs and make ends meet. As previously noted, anyone 6,064 years of age or over who are receiving Social Security disability insurance benefits should be qualified to receive the $5,500. As stated in the SSA's statement, people on SSDI who are 65 or older will probably receive the $5,500 payout under the Social Security retirement requirements, but the 6,064 payments will provide much-needed respite. SSDI covers disabilities that prevent people from working, thus this payment will bring much-needed assistance. Younger SSDI beneficiaries are also eligible during the age frame. Veterans Affairs VA participants. Additionally, the SSA has said that VA beneficiaries may be eligible for the $5,500 payment based on their particular benefit circumstances, such as veterans receiving disability compensation or VA pension, who are also enrolled in Social Security. Retirement security. The full $5,500 should be available to SSI or SSDI recipients. However, veterans who only get VA benefits could not be eligible unless they also meet additional requirements, such as Social Security. The SSA still has to provide more information on precisely which VA recipient categories will and won't be eligible for the May 15th payout low-income levels. While all the details are still being finalized, income level is a crucial criterion that could affect eligibility. The Social Security Administration, SSA, has indicated that income thresholds will be applied to ascertain whether an individual is eligible for the full $5,500 payment for Social Security retirement beneficiaries. Our suggestions. For SSI beneficiaries who already have to be below a specific income threshold, the income cutoff might be approximately $35,000 per year, or $70,000 for couples to get the full amount above those levels. The payment may be lowered or phased out totally for higher earnings. Seems very likely that they will get the entire $5,500, $100, unless they have other significant sources of income. Although the income requirements for SSDI and VA beneficiaries are yet unknown, we should anticipate the implementation of some rather high limits given the agency's mission to assist those who are most in need of monetary assistance. After discussing who should be eligible for the $5,000, $500 payments based on the SSA's criteria, more information regarding the precise income requirements and calculating techniques should be forthcoming from the agency in the upcoming weeks, leading up to the May 15th payout date. The next important question is how to effectively apply for this money and what measures to take in order to do so. Fortunately, for many beneficiaries, the payment should be sent automatically into the account or manner that you typically get your Social Security benefits. SSI, SSDI, or VA benefits. Millions of eligible Americans won't need to take any action, the SSA has emphasized, but depending on their unique circumstances, some groups may need to be aware of some significant exclusions and additional procedures. If you could, let's go over the various scenarios. There shouldn't be any action necessary because the majority of current Social Security, SSI, SSDI, and VA beneficiaries already have their benefits directly deposited into a bank account. The SSA will use these established payment methods to provide the $5,500 on May 15th. If you have direct deposit set up, this makes the process quite simple, provided that your account information is current with the SSA. If you receive paper checks for beneficiaries in the mail, the $5,500 should just show up in your account on the designated distribution date. Still getting paper checks? The $5,500 payments will be sent by mail delivery from your regularly scheduled check. But you'll still need to take proactive measures because the SSA is requiring all paper check recipients to confirm that their contact details and current mailing address are on file. Accurate and up-to-date. Miss this step and your payment may be delayed or may be lost in the mail. The SSA will establish a $5,500 payment hotline to confirm your information and guarantee the SSA can properly deliver your $5,500 check to the correct address. New beneficiaries in 2023-2024 individuals who filed new claims for VA, SSI, or Social Security in 2023 or 2024 might deal with a more complicated scenario. Millions of Americans are eligible for these special payments. However, the SSA has warned that these more recent beneficiaries may get prorated payments less than the entire $5,500 in payments. In the weeks before May 15th, a large number of questions and inquiries are anticipated by the SSA.